Hey everyone, so I decided that I'm gonna do a video about my other Baekhyun albums. I apologize that, this is kind of like a mess right here. I have like some of my Gucci stuff that came in right behind me, and I'm gonna unbox that at a later time when all of my Gucci stuff comes in. I still have like another shipment on its way to me. So I'm gonna go over that later, and I'm trying to make room on my bookshelf for my other albums since I'm running out of room. I've gone through the stuff in my closet to see like where I can put more of my albums at, and it's not looking good, you guys. Running out of space here, and there's only going to be so many more albums coming out, and so I'm just going to have to make do with what I have, I guess. And there's not so many things that I can get rid of, and most of the stuff that I have is stuff that I want to keep. So we'll see what happens when that time comes. But yeah, so I wanted to go over my the other ones that I didn't have a chance to go over the other day. So my Japanese ones. I'm looking at my setup here. My room is such a mess. You see. Okay, hopefully that'll do. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and I guess get started. I did want to show off that I am wearing my birthstone earrings, so I'm wearing my lei ones. I'm wearing this one, like the bar and like the name one. I guess you can wear the birthstone separately. I guess if I were to want to take off my other two earrings, I could have worn them all at the same time, but I didn't really want to deal with that hassle, so it is what it is. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started on that. I'm wearing my the weekend hoodie from the Super Bowl, so that's what's on here. So that's what's on here. I'm filled with dog hairs because of my dog. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started on the albums then. I guess this is going to be like the best angle that I'm going to be able to get at right now. And my room's a bit of a mess, so sorry about that. But okay, so I did order these from buyee, so which goes through Tower Records, I believe, in Japan. And so they gave me with these albums a bunch of these like folder things, so I have like a bunch if like anyone is interested. So they're the disappeared version of the album, but in folder form. So if anybody would like some, please let me know. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left of them. 7 of them. I think they gave me pretty much like one per album that I had ordered. So I thought I had ordered all of them from buyee, and unfortunately I didn't place the order correctly, so I did have to order some from eBay, and I'll be shouting out those vendors as well in this video. And since I went ahead and bought some off of eBay, I decided to just buy like the Stars version, which was like the exclusive Japanese XOL version. I decided to buy that one off of eBay as well. So I was like, you know, heck it. You know, since I'm already going down this route, I might as well just get all 6 versions of them, as opposed to the 5 that I was normally just gonna order. Let me see. Let's see. So aside from buyee, let's see, I ordered from, let's see, this person says, "Dear Miss Michelle Madrigal, thank you very much for purchasing the item at my store. I hope you like it. I'm selling similar items on eBay. If you are interested in purchasing more, I'm looking forward to doing business with you again. Thank you so much. Best regards." I think it's Muna Arai. That's one seller from eBay, and I would highly recommend them. I think that they did a wonderful job. A lot of the albums came much sooner than their anticipated date, so I would highly recommend them. This one says, "Thank you for your purchase. I'll be very glad if you are satisfied with the item. I look forward to seeing you again on eBay. Please stay safe and healthy. We will pray for your health and happiness. Sincerely yours, Naoko Homa, mint.blue.japan." That's her actual eBay store, mint.blue.japan. Highly recommend her as well. And then the last one, to Michelle, thanks for the purchase. You will find what you are looking for. Make a request. Let's enjoy K-pop life. Take care. And then if you scan this is her eBay shop. So like I said, I would highly recommend the 3 that I went through. They did such a wonderful job, and not only that, but the packages were very well packaged. They came like really secure, and I can't recommend them to whoever is interested. You know, they did a really great job. So thank you so much to them. And like I said, they did a really great job packaging the items. They were just very securely packaged, and came much sooner than I expected. So I can't give them any more rave reviews. I made sure to give them like 5 stars all around the board on eBay. And like I said, like if you want more of the information, I will gladly give you their information. I can go ahead and like mention their shops in the description as well, and I'll go ahead and do that. I also went ahead and bought photo cards off of a seller on Twitter, and I guess we can go start with that first, and then we can get into the albums. Oh, and I got stickers as well. So I got Chen Beck, and I got Kai Su. Let's see. As far as the photo cards, let me see. I got Baekhyun. Baekhyun. And I think this one, oh no, that's just dog hair. And also Baekhyun. And Baekhyun and Jonghyun. So those are the ones that I ordered from that seller from Twitter. Thank you so much. You know, just growing my photo card collection, and which now that I'm thinking about it, I'm like, I hope I didn't sell any photo cards that I would regret later down the road, because when I first started collecting photo cards, I was strictly only collecting I Ching ones and, you know, selling the rest. So I don't even want to think of like any of them that I might have accidentally sold, you know, which purposely back then, but which like nowadays I would have looked back and regretted that I sold. But it is what it is. I can go ahead and like purchase them from someone who is selling them, and so I can help a person out and at the same time increase my photo card collection. So, you know, try to look at it from a positive point of view that way. That's that. Okay, let's go ahead and let's see. So there are 6 versions of the album. So this one I know is the Stars version. Let me see. Oh, do they have, oh yeah, it does say Stars. This is the whipping version. This is the drowned version. Version. This is the disappeared version. This is addicted. And this is the get you alone version. Okay, so let's start off with the first version then, shall we? So this is the Baekhyun self-titled Japanese album, and let's start off with the Get You Alone version. This is my first time opening it up, so I don't know what to expect. Ooh. Oh wow. Looks like this once you open it up. Let's see. Oh, here's where the CD is at. That's how the CD looks. It's all nice and protected. Oh, the CD comes with Get You Alone, Addicted, Whippin', Drowned, Disappeared, and Stars, and the DVD comes with the Get You Alone music video and an off-shot movie. Oops. XO, thanks to all our families, friends, and all XOL. We love you all. We are one. My favorite song off of the album is Whippin', so I'm very interested in that one. Let's see. It also has the lyrics. And all the contents. And that. Oh, nice. And the photo card. Oh, let me see. Love it. Got the photo card. Ooh, so cute. Yay, look at that. I love it. I'm gonna put that over there so I can put it in my binder. And then let's see. Oh, these are like posters. Oh, nice. Oh my god, how am I gonna have like room for it all? Oh my god, there's like a bunch of them too. There's that. Dang. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. And these are like good quality posters too. Wow. Oh my god. I wish I had more room. Oh my god, I want to put them all up. Are they all like this, or are they like according to the album theme? Wow. Oh my god. Let me see. And this one, oh, this one's an even bigger one. Guys, this is stunning. I haven't even made room for the third album, the Bambi ones yet. And now there's this one. Oh my god. I'm gonna want these all up. Oh my gosh. And people wonder why Baekhyun's becoming my bias. Well, this is why. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. How am I gonna choose which ones go up? Like, they're all so good. Oh my god. I'm like shook. Like, I don't know what I was expecting. I guess I expected it to be like more like a photo book. Kind of like how the other albums were. I was not expecting all of these posters. Amazing. You go ahead and do that. Wow. I'm going to put it back in the plastic. Okay, and then the next one is the addicted version, which is the orange one. Look at how handsome he looks right here. He is unreal. Oh my god. The same friggin' photo card? Don't tell me that I'm gonna get the same friggin' photo card every time. I'm gonna be upset. Don't tell me it's gonna be the same photo card every time. I'm gonna get upset. So, look how handsome he looks on here. And then here is the CD and the DVD. And then just the same contents with the credits, the lyrics, and the track list. So it's pretty much the same as the other one, standard. And let's see what's in this one. Let's see. So this bagel poster is him on the cover. What am I going to do with these? What am I going to do with these? Look at, can he be any cuter? Stop. And you're wondering why he's my bias. Stop. He is so cute. I hate him. I hate him. Like, how did he go from being like my bias wrecker? Was he even my bias wrecker to be my bias? Like, he just like went from 0 to 60 in no time. Oh my god. Is this his handwriting? I wonder. Oh my god. I'm gonna want to put all these up. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Like, I don't have enough room. He is just so beautiful. I love this man so much. I am in love with him. Very much so. How am I going to choose which ones go up in my room? And like, I'm looking at some of these and I'm sorry, maybe Jonghyun's just going to have to come down. And then this is the whipping version. This is the whipping version. I like how the scan, the barcode is like on this one. That's cute. Before I'm like, oh, maybe you guys shouldn't buy the Japanese versions, but now I'm like, you know what? Thank goodness that I bought them. Definitely worth every penny. So here's a CD, and I'm guessing it's the same thing. Oh, this one is a different one. This one's a different photo card. Oh my god. Yay. Look at how cute he is. Oh my god. I love him. He is so handsome. Love him, love him, love him. So it's the same thing on here with like the credits and the lyrics and the track list in here. Okay, but let's get to the good contents because we all want to see the posters. So poster on here. Oh my god. Oh my god. How cute is he? So cute. I love this one. It's so fun. It's so fun, and oh my god, he can't leave. It's like he's leaving in less than 3 weeks, and I refuse to let him go. He can't. He can't. I'm making him stay with me. He's not Korean. He is from the motherland. He's so cute. Look at him. How could I let him go? Look how tiny he is. Oh my god. This man is not 30 years old. There's no way. Look how handsome he is. Oh, he's so baby. He's got like a baby face. Oh my god. I'm just like enamored with all of these. Not because like this is like my favorite song. This is like my favorite version. But I just really like these ones. Actually, they're all really good. every version is really good, but I love these ones, how playful they are. Look. Is he eating like popcorn? Like caramel popcorn. And the white hair looks so good on him. I am in love. I am a fool in love. That Joker, that's me. I'm a clown for this man. He is so cute, you guys. I'm like obsessed with him. I am in love with him. Somebody tell young Baekhyun, I'm willing to fix his papers. We'll fix his papers so he doesn't have to go to the military. I love it. How am I going to choose which ones go out? I don't even know if I want to put these up. They're like such good quality that I don't even want to poke holes in them. Okay, so that's the whipping version. Okay, and then this is the drown version. Same thing. The lyric and track list book. There is CD. Let me see. Another photo card. This photo card. Let's see. So the same thing. The lyrics and the track list there. Okay, let's get to the contents of it, which are the poster. Poster. I like the effect of it. Looks very handsome. Love it. Let's see. It does really look like he's drowning. The effect. Oh. Like he's waking up next to you. These are just such boyfriend material photos. Oh my god. He can't leave. Look how handsome he is. When did he get so hot? You know? Like, he went from having such a baby face to being so manly. When did that happen? Disappeared. Love, gimme, it's over. Love is gone. The disappeared version. Again, the same one. Darn it. Like 3 of the same ones. Okay, so there's the CD and the DVD, the lyrics, track lists. Same thing on there. Let's see. Posters. Are they going to be all black and white? kind of black and white, kind of showing like a little bit of color. Very interesting effect. Very solemn, very serious. Like he just broke up with you or something. I like this one. That's nice. Boyfriend material. He's saying, don't go. Don't leave me. When in actuality, he's the one that's leaving us to go to the military. Irony. He looks so tiny right here. Why they make him look so tiny? These are interesting ones. And there's only one more left, which is the stars version. Ooh. This one came in a nice little pouch. I don't think, do I have this one? I think my sister has this one. My sister has this one on her phone. That's why it looks so familiar to me. Okay. It has two. This one. This one's cute. I don't think this is an official one though, but it's cute. There's the CD. There's a CD, the lyrics and the track list here. Okay. I think he was so handsome. I'm gonna miss him and his big old ears and his cute little face. Oh, nice. This one doesn't it kind of look like Lucas a little bit, I feel. Kind of looks like Lucas there. Very handsome. Maybe because they're like in Super M together, you know, starting to look like each other. Man, these ones, oh my god. Him and his brown eyes. He's giving me them looks. I'm dead. I would do unspeakable things to this man. Unspeakable. He doesn't even know how yummy he looks. It just makes it harder to let him go. Oh, OMG. Now this is the one. Oh my god, I feel like I just don't have enough wall space for all of them because I'm going to want to put all of them up. So if you ask me, was it worth the money? You know, obviously, like, you know, you're going to collect city lights, you're going to collect a light, you're going to collect Bambi. But what about the Japanese album? Is that worth it? I would say, hell yes it is. You know, you've got all these different versions. You got all these photo cards. You have the posters. Not just like the big old posters that come with it, but like the smaller posters that come with each version. You know, I honestly thought it was just going to be like a regular photo book. I didn't expect there to be this many posters for you to choose from and for you to want to put up. I say it was worth every penny. It was worth every hassle it was to get them to go through buyee, to go through eBay. Am I happy that I got one of each version? Yes, absolutely. I would highly encourage you to do so as well if you were unable to do so through buyee. Go through eBay. Any one of the sellers that I went through, I would highly recommend, you know, to go through them again. I will put their shops in the description. And yeah, you know, I'm so happy that I purchased each and every one of these versions, you know, especially like I wasn't even planning on buying the Stars version, but I'm happy that I did. So my collection is complete, and now I don't even know which posters I'm going to put up in my room. Like I said, like the quality is so pretty that I don't even feel like putting any of them up, but he looks so handsome in each of them that I'd be a fool not to. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully that helped you guys if you were on the fence of whether or not you should buy the Japanese albums. Like I have already said in my piece, I would highly recommend that you do so. If you weren't able to go through buyee, go through eBay, totally understandable to do so. And oh yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I certainly did. I was so surprised. I didn't know what to expect, but certainly wasn't this. And remember to like and subscribe and to recommend this video to and channel to anyone who you would think would benefit from it, anyone who you feel would enjoy these types of videos. Remember to ring that notification bell so you're notified of every time I post a new video. And I'll talk to you guys next time. My next video will probably be my Gucci haul that I bought from Kai's Gucci collection. And thank you guys so much. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!